Hey, this is Mike, and I'm going to do an update on GameStop because this is the one big stock that I'm really following and doing cash secure puts on. And I want to talk about its big trading day yesterday. It was up 13%. If you like these type of videos, please be sure to leave a like. It helps people who are looking for stocks to discover this video. And also, if you're interested in daily breaking videos, go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications. I come out with videos every trading day, including breaking news. So if you follow this my channel, you know I've been a big follower of GameStop. I started doing cash secure puts on this stock when Ryan Cohen, the CEO of Chewy, put his initial stake on the stock, and that was a little over a month ago. So the stock was popped, I think, maybe around here, and it's had a little bit of its ups and downs. It had a big rise when Senvest announced a 5.5% stake in the company, and that allowed it to pop 5%, and then it popped another 13% today. The real story was it went as high as 14.75. So GameStop actually went as high as 21% and then gave back some of the gains. So I want to talk a little about what this movement was, why this happened, and I'm going to give you my best educated guess. Obviously, I don't know exactly what happened here, but I can, by just reading charts and seeing what happens, I can make a pretty good estimate. Now, the one thing I do know, GameStop is one of the heaviest shorted stocks out there. Like literally 89% of shares of GameStop were shorted. So what you had here after Senvest announced its 5.5% stake, you had the news Microsoft has a multi-partnership deal. There was also news that Microsoft is going to be sharing revenue with GameStop for digital sales. All of this good news meant that the shorts were now trapped. And what you saw this big spike initially was the shorts trying to get out a short squeeze. And then maybe some more shorts came in and they got squeezed again, squeezed again, squeezed again. And that made the stock just rocket up 20%. Now, the reason why it would fall is that maybe you had a lot of day traders come in, seeing a lot of action in GameStop. They decide they made enough money for the day. And usually when you have a stock rise really high, really fast, you get profit taking in the last hour. So this is totally normal for this profit taking to take place at the end of the day, and I do expect more profit taking today in GameStop. But I do expect on a longer term frame that GameStop is going to continue to move higher. There have been a lot of articles, especially on the Motley Fool, saying, "Oh, GameStop, this is just a 1 day rally." They said that a couple days ago when it popped on the Senvest news. But I don't think it's a 1 day rally. This is a company. I'm going to do a special report on GameStop this weekend on why I believe GameStop is going to be a $30 billion company by the end of the decade. So 10 years from now, I believe GameStop will be a $30 billion company. It will be 30 times higher where it is today. This is a company that's in a metamorphosis, like almost like consider like a larva turning into a butterfly. This is a company that was going to die a year ago, and then Ryan Cohen comes in, decides he wants to turn GameStop into the next Amazon. That means you have companies like Microsoft buying into the company, at least doing partnerships. You have Senvest investing. This is a company, if Ryan Cohen can execute his vision, it's not, GameStop is not going to be as big as Amazon. Amazon has so much of a moat around its business model. It will never be like a multi-trillion-dollar company, but I do think that they can find opportunities where Amazon has some vulnerabilities. So, for instance, Amazon has some vulnerabilities when it comes to selling luxury products. They have some vulnerability, especially with gaming, because GameStop has a great brand name to it. So they can literally find where are Amazon's weak spots, chip into those, and become a competitor, at least in some categories compared to Amazon. So this is a stock that's definitely going to move forward. I would say maybe today, tomorrow, don't be surprised if it does move down a little bit. Now, I just want to talk about the cash secure puts that I've been putting on GameStop, because I want to show that, look, even in the past month, this stock has some violent up and downs, and I've had now 5 successful cash secure put trades on GameStop in the past month and a half. And yesterday, I closed out on a cash secure put trade, hit my 50% profit target, and I was in that trade for 2 days, or actually 1 day. I got in on Thursday and then got out Friday morning when we had the initial pop here. That trade was successful, and then opened another cash secure put trade here, and then that one closed here, and when it popped over 14, and then I opened one more cash secure put trade at like the 1390 level, and that one is still open. That one is a cash secure put trade on the 13 strike that expires next Friday. So I think that one will close successfully as well. If for some reason if GameStop falls below 13, I'm more than happy to hold the shares. But cash secure puts trades have been really great for this stock, and whether you want to buy the shares or do cash secure put trades or covered calls, I think it'll be great. Just have a long term. This is a very volatile stock. It goes up 13%. It could go down 5-6% in a day, but the overall, I think, trajectory of the stock is higher. So it's definitely a great stock, and I I I'm definitely going to stay into the stock in the long term. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like the video, subscribe for daily breaking news on stocks and the stock market. Thanks a lot. Bye.